So 2021 is almost over. Now it's time to take a deep breath and see what we've done to make your experience with our product better during this year and what we're planning for the future. We'll start with the changes to the products themselves. CS Card, multi-vendor and the mobile app, as well as our new offer for enterprise-level marketplaces. Then we'll cover some changes that happened in our customer care and the CS Card marketplace for add-ons and themes. And finally, we'll talk about the plans for the future. The most important change of 2021 is the new vendor panel. With the new panel, new vendors can start selling faster and easier. We moved all the menus to the sidebar and cut down the number and structure while still keeping everything essential. You can simplify the product editing page by hiding the product tabs and properties that your vendors don't need and tailor the colors and the background image of the sidebar for your brand. In 2021, we created an add-on called Order Fulfillment by Marketplace. It allows you to handle shipping for vendors and collect money from them. Customers do not have to pay for each shipping anymore. You also can create different vendor plans and offer fulfillment only for vendors with premium plans. Stripe Connect and PayPal Commerce Platform are payment methods that split money between you and vendors automatically. Now they allow you to delay transfer of funds to vendors. When the transfer is delayed, it is easier to check vendor orders first. You can also save your money on commissions to the payment systems if you have to make a refund. Another improvement related to Stripe Connect is Express accounts. You can allow your vendors to sign up for a Stripe Express account right from the vendor panels. Express accounts are much easier to register than standard Stripe accounts and have a simpler dashboard for vendors. If you're just starting your multi-vendor marketplace, we have something that will help you start faster. In 2021, we added a wizard that guides you through some of the most important settings just in a few screens. Determine the type of your marketplace, choose the business model, decide how you want to manage your vendors and the income, and so on. One of the things the wizard allows you to decide is how vendors gain access to a marketplace. You have the following options. Option 1. Grant new vendors immediate access to the admin panel in storefront right after they apply for the vendor status. Option 2. Grant new vendors access to the admin panel after registration, but hide them from customers until you approve them. And Option 3. Don't grant new vendors access even to the admin panel until you approve them. Some marketplace owners asked for a way to add taxes to the sums that vendors paid to the marketplace, because transactions between companies were taxable in their country. Now you can do this in the settings of the Vendor to Admin Payments add-on. Another change to the process of managing vendors is the ability to assign user groups with their privileges to vendor plans. This will allow you to offer more privileges to the vendors with premium plans. Storefronts in multi-vendor allows you to scale the marketplace and tailor it for different audiences. Previously, categories remained the same across all storefronts. Now you can configure a category to appear either on all storefronts or on one particular storefront. We replaced the old comments and reviews add-on with a new one called Product Reviews. Now reviews can include images and optional fields for advantages and disadvantages. Your customers can vote for the reviews they find useful. In 2021, we reworked the list of add-ons and the detailed page of an add-on. Improved search makes it easier to find the add-on you need. Every add-on also shows the list of menu elements it introduces to help you find out what the add-on does. We added the context menu to all lists of objects in CS Card admin panel. The interface is now more standardized and easier to work with. The message center has been improved as well. Now if a message is sent from a product or an order page, it is easier to see that and understand the context. In the latest CS Card version, we integrated a service called Tilda that allows you to create customized landing pages for different audiences quickly and easily. Now you can embed Tilda pages into CS Card and add CS Card blocks such as products to those pages. Previously, we had the Buy Together add-on to make combinations of products and offer discounts for these combinations to customers. Many of our clients have asked to improve the add-on, so we created a new add-on called Product Bundles. Now we can make bundles with variations, choose on pages of which products to display bundles, and much more. Google apparently uses speed as a search ranking factor. We increased Google page speed for mobile devices. In version 4.14.1, multi-vendor's default page speed score on mobile devices increased by 30%. Another way to increase page speed further is to use WebP images, which CS Card now supports. Our mobile application has also been improved. Though the improvements are not as big, there are plenty of them. Here are the main ones. Starting from the version 4.14.1, vendors can change the values of features when creating or editing a product right in the mobile application. Users of iOS devices are now able to sign in using Facebook. The product reviews add-on also works in the mobile application now. You can use ready-made color presets for your mobile application. There are more improvements to Syscart Multi-Vendor. If you want to know more, go check out our blog and the YouTube channel. In 2021, we launched Multi-Vendor Enterprise, an exclusive solution for building a large marketplace. Unlike other editions, Multi-Vendor Enterprise not only gives you a ready-made customizable platform, but also lets you have the software tailored for your business, thanks to turnkey custom development with an optional non-disclosure agreement. The platform has all benefits of the Ultimate Edition: multiple storefronts and warehouses, access to the mobile app source code, Unitheme, and lifetime updates. The added bonuses include the following: VIP customer care with service level agreements. You get access to the online chat with support and developers. Another benefit is REST API for integrating the marketplace with your existing business ecosystem. You also get access to the Syscart repository, which allows your team of developers to stay up to date with the latest changes in the product before they are even released. The final huge benefit of Multi-Vendor Enterprise is the ability to adapt the product's license agreements. You may have noticed that we now refer to our technical support as customer care. The name change is meant to reflect the change of goals. The goal is to make your experience with the Syscart as easy as possible. We'll try to achieve that both by the range and the quality of our services. Last year, we mentioned that we were tracking how soon clients got a reply. As it turns out, in 2021, the reply speed has increased by 50% and we'll keep at it. Customer care can also build a new version of the mobile application for you. That is useful if you want to change the colors or release an update of the app with the latest improvements. Previously, we published your apps in the Apple App Store and Google Play from our developer account. But now customer care specialists can upload it to your developer account. That way, you'll have more control and customers will see the app as your own. We now also offer a new service, Customer Care Hours. You can leave the initial configuration of your store and marketplace to our specialists. They can configure existing payment or shipping methods, set up vendor plans, and much more. Or you can have our specialists help you in real time. If you're interested, you can get Customer Care Hours in our marketplace. Speaking of the Syscart marketplace, there are a few other changes worth mentioning. The most important change is that you can now request a trial version of an add-on or theme. Try them on your site and see if they suit your needs. The Syscart marketplace has a lot of useful add-ons and themes. To help new users find them, we added links to the marketplace on the add-ons list and in the Help Center in the Syscart admin panel. It is one of the steps to integrating the marketplace into our software and making the experience with third-party add-ons easier. Previously, when buying an add-on, you got a fixed update period with it. Now, if your subscription for updates is over, you do not need to buy the add-on or theme again, you can only get the update. To help you get the add-ons you need without paying too much upfront, we've introduced the ability to subscribe for add-ons. It can be a good way to help you save money. For example, the add-ons from this pack, if bought separately, could cost you about $300, not counting upgrades. Meanwhile, a monthly subscription for all of them combined costs $10 as we record this video. You can use them for longer than 2 years and subscribing will still be cheaper than buying. Another way of benefiting from subscriptions is the ability to use an add-on temporarily. For example, you can subscribe for the Advanced Security add-on, check the security of your store or marketplace while the subscription is active, and stop using it when you're sure the security level is okay. For now, there are only a few products or services by subscription in the marketplace. We're planning to increase that number. The start of a new year is the time when lots of people make their New Year's resolutions. So did we. In the coming year, we'll focus on the fast start of our customers' businesses and their unlimited growth. Going forward, we're planning to eliminate the obstacles on your path to running a successful store or marketplace, be it by providing a wide range of features, better support and other services, and so on. So, starting with 2021, launch fast, scale fast will be the focus of our roadmap. This is it. Thank you for sticking with us. We'll do our best to make you satisfied with our products and services. If you have any questions left or want to give some feedback, leave your comments in the section below. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching and happy holidays to all of you.